Hey guys, today is another day. He gave us another day, another beautiful day. I'm just going to take a moment and just let you guys listen to the birds and the nature calls. And for that, we should be grateful. So let's take it all in. I'm going to give you 2 minutes of this. Peace, be still. Y'all, it's a new year. It is new beginnings, new for you and new for me. Guess who's coming to tea time? Hey guys, happy your smoothies, whatever it is that you have. From Psalms 34, and I'm just going to go ahead and read it. It says, I will exalt the Lord at all times. His praise will always be on my lips. My soul will boast in the Lord. Let the afflicted hear me and rejoice. Glorify the Lord with me. Let us exalt his name together. Meaning, you can find somebody to exalt the Lord with you, to give him praise together. You know, if you can't, most of the time we're doing it by ourselves, but if you have a partner or something, it is very good to engage in that together, to do it together. I think it's a wonderful thing. I sought the Lord and he answered me. He delivered me from all my fears. Y'all, don't I tell y'all all the time, don't be scared. Cast all your cares on him. He hears us. He really hears you. He really does. Those who look to him are radiant. And y'all be wanting to know, oh, Sonya, you're looking younger, you're glowing, whatever. Y'all, I believe in my heart that is mostly from him. And I'm just being honest with you right now. That is mostly from him. And I'm not just saying that. I've been saying that all my life. Like, he is the reason why I'm here. He is the reason why I'm breathing. He is the reason why I have woke up today. He is the reason for my whole entire life. He is the reason. No one else. He is the reason. Okay? Their faces are never covered with shame. No. If you're living right and doing right, you should never be walking around here with shame on your face. If somebody has done you wrong, if people are hurting you, doing things to you, don't you ever worry and look like they done it, okay? Now, don't get me wrong. Sometimes it's hard to not seem like something's going on, but if you can, glorify him. Put it all in his hands and let him take care of it. He'll put that smile on your face. He will put back the smile on your face and the joy in your heart. This poor man called, and the Lord heard him. He saved him out of all his troubles. Guys, he saved him. God will save him. The Father, whatever you call on that is higher than yourself, will save you out of all your troubles. Put all your cares and your trust in him. You cannot put trust and your cares in man. Man will fail you all the time. When I say man, I'm saying in general people, okay? Just everyday people will fail you. So don't look forward to them for anything. Put your trust and all your cares in him. He keep you radiant. He keep you pure. He keep you going. Keep you good, okay? So guys, make it happen today. Put all your cares and your trust in the Father and make it happen. Everything in life that you want to do, to partake in, look forward to Him so He can make it happen. And for that, we're going to take another sip. And guys, I want you to love yourself so that you'll be able to love others, so this world will be a much better place. Thanks for tuning in to Tea Time. I'll see ya. Hey, beautiful people. Happy Monday. I hope you guys all had a beautiful Sunday. Whether you celebrate or not, I hope you had a wonderful day. So guys, yesterday I went yesterday to Dollar Tree, and I had the boys. I didn't go in specifics of how and what actually I was going to get. I think I just showed y'all a few things. Then I'm going to show you today exactly what I got. So if that's something that you're interested in, keep on watching, okay? All right, guys, let's just get into this video. Y'all, I'm loving my little area here, as you can see. So I did pick up like 7 things. It could have been 8 things. I'm not for sure until I take them out the bag. But all these things are like garden, outdoor patio related. So are you here for it? I'm here for it, and I wanted to share it with you guys. So I told you guys that I was looking for impatiens at Lowe's and Home Depot, but unfortunately none of those stores are currently having those impatiens, especially just the all white ones. So I said, you know what? I didn't want all red and I didn't want all pink. So I decided to go with this box of American seeds, and these are non-GMO, and they are made and created in the United States of America. So I went with these. This is a $2.99 box, guys. So this was $1, and you see it has a mixture of whites, pinks, and dark fuchsia, like plum. And there's a couple of sprinkles of like an orangey color. So that's fine with me. So what I'm gonna do, I'm going to do some pots and stuff myself tomorrow. I also picked up these Job's fertilizer spikes. These are for your house plants. You get 30 of these for $1. This was a good deal because when I last was at Walmart, when we were looking for the TV mount, they did have some, but they wanted like $4 for, it wasn't even 30 of them. I think it was like 15 or 20 or something. And they wanted like $4 or $5. So I'm glad I found these. I also picked up, let me set this down so you can see it. I also picked up some of my seeds out that box that came off on here. You guys know in the old house, we use silicone scrubber pads to wash our dishes and pots and stuff, except for the bamboo scrubber I recently hauled. But they have these now, guys, at the Dollar Tree. They have silicone scrubbers. So I got a gray one, just one. I'm going to get rid of my blue one that's behind you guys. I'm going to get rid of the purple one that we have because they don't match. And I will wash them out because you can't wash these in the washing machine without them ripping and tearing. So I will be giving those to someone else. So I picked up this one, and this is, like you see, it's a gray one. I also picked up, that's that bag. I also picked up, guys, oh, this bag is heavy, a bag of topsoil. Now, last year when I think 2 years ago when I did my I did my fiddly fig plant. I did use their organic topsoil. I didn't see any of that this time. They only had this kind here. This bag is heavy, guys. This is 8 pounds. And it just says that it's a special potting blend for indoor and outdoor use, blended for proper drainage and support. So they do have 8 pounds. And this was $1 at Dollar Tree. So I got that. We'll set that here. That bag is too heavy, y'all. Dollar Tree has really come up on like some of their, like, I guess spring going into summer stuff, because some of this stuff I've never seen before. I don't know if it's because I've really never like shop at the Dollar Tree a whole lot, but I went in there to see if they had more herbs. They did not have the herbs, so I did not get any herbs. And then also too, let me say, I told you guys I was going to get, I think in the video I said I was going to get marigolds. I didn't get the marigolds because what I'm going to do, we're going to delete the marigolds. I'll just tell you in the end when I finish showing y'all what I got. I'll tell you why. So I also picked up this wire basket. Guys, this is really, really sturdy. Really sturdy. Has a hook on it and it's very, very sturdy. It's very supportive. So this was $1. I got this, and it's just a hanging wire basket. And I'm going to show you what I'm going to do with this one as well. So I also picked up the piece that you can put in it, and this is a cocoa liner. This is a cocoa liner, so you actually will line your basket with this. Let me show you. I knew that was gonna fall. But yeah, you will line your basket with the cocoa liner, and then you would add your dirt in here. Cocoa liners are very acceptable of water because it does well drainage good, and most people like do ferns and stuff, or you can do like impatiens and perennial. I mean, yeah, you can do impatiens and you can do annuals, any other annuals, and this will work perfect, and it just be so big and lush and they can hang over. So that's the look that I'm going for. I'm probably going to put this in the backyard on the side of the door or something, because I don't think we need any more stuff on the deck. I think that's enough what we have. So I got these things here. Last but not least, guys, I even got the hook. Do you guys see this? It comes with the two sturdy, like, it look like drywall screws or just like hardwood screws. This is the metal hanging bracket for the basket. Guys, this is real sturdy. This is something that you will find like at Home Depot or Lowe's, but it's only $1 at Dollar Tree. So that is gonna be so, so cute. Once I can get her hung. Let's see if we can do this on camera. Okay. It's just gonna be nice, a nice element to the backyard. So you just put it on here. Unfortunately, it has plastic on it, but you guys get it. You put it on here, and then you have your cocoa liner in here. So yeah, these are all the things that I picked up yesterday. And like I was going to say, I don't need the Impatiens, the all white ones. I'm gonna use this box of Impatiens. And what I'm gonna do is, guys, in this video, if you're interested in me showing y'all how I'm gonna do my little garden areas, give me a thumbs up or say yes, Sonia. We would like for you to show us how you're gonna be doing all of your gardening when you're planting. So yeah, and I was thinking about my, excuse me guys. I was thinking about my box that I have that had the sign in it that I bought from Goodwill. That was actually a real planter in the beginning. I'm actually gonna use, this is a box of cereal that I finished, okay? I cut this because I was gonna throw it away. I said I can line my box with this and don't worry about the eco-friendly bags or purchasing any bags, because this is eco-friendly as well. So you don't have to worry about it. Then I took some of the pieces of the box, the little corners and stuff, like even one that has like the box tops or whatever, and they just do scan and go now. So I'm gonna add toothpicks to these with glue, and it'll be able to put sticks in the thing to tell me what I planted. So that's another way to save money, guys. I hope you enjoyed this Dollar Tree haul. Hopefully, if you're looking for something like this, you'll find it, especially these Impatiens. A box of Impatient seeds, like you cannot go wrong with that. I have so many places where I'm gonna be inserting these seeds. So like I said, in the comment section below, please, please, please let me know if you're interested in me showing you how I do my pots with the seeds and how I will be doing my containers with my herbs. So guys, with that being said, I will see you guys tomorrow. Thank you for coming along today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give this video a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed, what are you waiting on? Go ahead and subscribe. I would love to have you join our family, join our team. Guys, always remember to love yourself so that you will love others. So this world will be a much better place. Bye, y'all.